to show you how to make a boomerang paper airplane. This is what it looks like. So let's get right to it. Let me show you what it looks like. Be right back. This is what the plane looks like. And this is what it should do if it works this one time. I'll keep trying it because you have to keep folding in one area. It comes back. Comes back. That was a bad throw. Try again. Comes it back, so let's get right to it. Just angle this down. Be right back. Okay, so you're just gonna need a regular piece of printing paper for this. So our first step is you're gonna fold it in half like this. And then crease it. And open it up, kind of like this. And then you're gonna fold it like you're going to make a basic. Crease it nice. Same with the other side. If you hear noise in the background, it's just my sister. And then you're gonna fold it up on that line, like that. For those people that know how to make world record paper airplanes, this is kind of like it, but it's not. And you're gonna fold it down like you would be doing a paper world record, right down here. That's what it looks like. And you're gonna take this. Okay, let me get this angle. There's a line right here. You're gonna take it. And you're gonna fold it on the line right here, and then onto the line that's at the center. This is what it should look like right now. And same with the other side. Gotta make this quick. That, and fold that down like that, so you should have that, and then you're gonna like this. One sec, I'll be right back. Okay, sorry, I just need to tell them. And then so you're gonna fold it like this. So we're here, you have this, you're gonna go like that, and then fold it down like this. Let me try it again. You have this, you're gonna fold it in half. Make a nice crease right there. And then you're going to add wings. To like what you would do is add wings. And basic. And I do the same with the other side. Make it nice and even. You should have a world record plane right now. One sec. I'll be right back again. The world record planes right now. So now, here, let me just angle this up. You're going to put it down like this. And then you're going to open it up. You're going to have a world record plane. You're going to rip it a little bit right there. Same on the other side. Make it about the same amount of rip. Same length. And then you're going to fold it down like that again. And then you're going to fold it up.
We'll just go over here.
And you go like this. Okay, sorry about her. She's being very annoying. So you should have the rip on both sides, and then you're going to fold it up by the rips. The same angles. Sorry about my brother. Luke, go over there. No. Go over there. I'm going to fold it like that. So you should, when you open it up, you should have this. With like, you know, and then you're going to keep it like that. And you're going to take the front, and you're going to go like this. You're going to just twist it so that it looks like that. It's twisted. And then you're going to, and then that's how you make a boomerang airplane. Then you can do it on every single side. If you do it on, if you fold it to the right side, you throw it like this on the left side. It comes right back. And if you want to do a loop-de-loop, you straighten it out and it goes loop-de-loop. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. And sorry about my sister. She's really annoying today. But bye. Make sure to hit the notifications button, subscribe, and leave a like on this video. Bye. Thanks for watching. I hit the pause button.